Are you a nursing student looking to be more productive? Well, having a good Notion template is the key to that. If you find yourself being less organized or falling behind on assessment, this template guide is for you. If you are a nursing student, this is the only Notion template you need. So I'll do a little walkthrough and show you all the features that are in this planner. So here you got your courses. Usually students do 4 subjects per course. So here we got your outstanding notification center. So here it shows you 3 assessments overdue, 6 tasks overdue. Now this little feature here took a lot of coding, so hopefully you guys appreciate it. The class schedule here, you can edit this however you like. Now here's the navigation bar where you can go through all the different features. So your current courses, which will go into these. Your assessment and grades, let you track your assessment and grades. Habit tracker, which is shown here. Goals tracker, journal, notification center, which goes into this. Here we got a little cool total course mark showing you the progress of your different courses. So the habit tracker here, you can customize this however you like. This is set to daily habits, and you got little emotes or emojis showing what habit it is. So gym, let's say you on the 25th of November you did running, gym, did journaling, and this is skincare, and you took your meds, and shows you the progress bar, and it changes color as you complete it. So 100% will go green. It's very interactive. Then you got a task to do. You got a little Spotify widget to listen to your music. This is set to just study, but you can edit this however you want. Now your assessment status, goal tracker, weekly to-do list, and the features goes on and on. So we'll go a bit into the detail of what's inside the courses. So let's expand this. Say you're doing microbiology as a course. Here you can go into weekly lecture notes, week 1, put in your learning outcomes, your notes, lectures. If you have more than 3 lectures per week, you can copy and paste this. So it's all linked here. You can put in a new assessment here if you like, or if you just want to go back to the home page, you can go assessment and grades. Here's a detailed way to organize your assessments, upcoming assessments, put in your due dates, the status, the course it's related to. And yeah, this is so important to keeping on top of things. And you have your Notion notification center, which reminds you of everything if there's coming assessment or assessment due. So yeah, if you're a nursing student, I guarantee you'll benefit from having this Notion template. The links are in the description if you'd like to check it out. I'll try to, now I wish I could show you how to create this from scratch, but it took hours and hours. Me and my sister have been working on this, and something like this notification center, it takes a bit of coding, not coding, like just a bunch of linking together of different sections, if that makes any sense to you Notion users. A lot of formulas involved. So from this video you should get an idea of how to set up your own template, and if you're really interested, please do check it out. Check out the links in the description. I got a link to Gumroad and one to Etsy, whatever platform you prefer.